My current research is around the authoritarian governance of post-communist politics, and I'm particularly interested in this aspect of social protest. So I'm looking at the moments in which the representative structures of these authoritarian countries provoked people to go out onto the streets and to challenge their governments and what the effects of that are. For a Russianist or someone who's interested in the post-communist world, IU is almost like a mecca. It's a wonderful place to be, mostly because IU has historically been known for its area centers. These are research centers focused on different regions of the world, and we have an incredible cross-disciplinary group of scholars and students working on the post-communist space. The other reason that we were very happy to come to IU, in addition to the area studies centers, was the Ostrom workshop. Lynn Ostrom was a hero of mine. She's a hero of my husband's. My husband had known her for quite a long time. And the way that Lynn worked is how we work in political science. We really, this very rich data collection, but also sort of rigorous theoretic work, which was Lynn's hallmark and the hallmark of the Ostrom Center. The Ostrom workshop has, as it's reinventing itself, as it's reformulating, has instituted this wonderful faculty support program. So it's a competitive grant program in which we prepare applications about our research and the broad themes of the workshop. My grant was to extend the work I've done on Russian protest to cover another post-communist case, Hong Kong. So I'm extending the theoretic foundations and the work to study the umbrella revolution in Hong Kong and the ways that it shaped reform in China. So I've been very, very lucky to travel to Russia several times since I got to IU, so in the past decade. The university has facilitated that in the biggest way when I got a Fulbright grant, and the College of Arts and Sciences matched my salary and enabled me and my family to go to Russia and be there for the year. I've also taken advantage of university funding through the Provost for International Affairs to go on exchanges in Croatia, where my husband and I collected data not ever used in the West for another project we're working on, which was very exciting. I've used it to go on exchange to Moscow to follow up on the work that I started on my Fulbright grant. And this year I'll be going to Poland in order to study protest movements in urban areas in Poland. It's really critical that this university, more than any other I know in the country right now, supports its faculty to go into the field, both financially and in terms of teaching support, in terms of salary supplements, in order to be able to collect this knowledge that other people may not have because they're not asking the same questions or they don't have the time and the resources.